Hi guys, greetings from the another sunny day in Istanbul and welcome to the third episode of Best of Istanbul. So today I'm gonna take you to the Çamlıca Hill and I'm planning to be there before the sunset. Right now I'm in Üsküdar and the sun is almost set, so let's go. I have no idea where the bus goes, but let me check somewhere here. They might go. I've asked from someone and he says the bus will go from somewhere here, so let's go. When you come to Üsküdar you will see this mosque, and down there is two roads, from here, one from here and another one here. 15C comes somewhere here, as they say, and we will see. Hi guys, I finally arrived and this is the general view. Let me go to somewhere there so we can see the view totally or fully. It's just amazing. This is the general view. Just amazing. And this is that view, and this the surrounding. There is one cafe in here which you can sit and observe the view, and this is that beautiful view again. Just amazing. Yes, the lights of the bridge are turning on. I'm not sure if you can see from the camera, but it's already turned on. Guys, when you come you don't need to bring anything like water or something, because there is some buffet or shops, even there is a cafe which you can buy everything here. And guys, and this is the Grand Çamlıca Mosque, biggest mosque in Istanbul, probably biggest mosque in Turkey too. Now let's count. 1, 2, and this is the number 3 bridge. It's amazing. Just definitely breathtaking view. And this is the mosque. And this is inside. When I first see the inside, my first impression was like blue mosque. Yeah, it's like, it looks like blue mosque. And this is the inside of that grand new mosque. There is more stairs over there. Guys, this is the end of my Best of Istanbul episode 3, so see you in my next episode. Bye! Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.